notification, setting up a time schedule. For each day of the week, one or more time intervals can be set up in which emails are automatically sent by FarmManager. At least one schedule needs to be set up. To add a new time schedule, press Add Time Schedule in the upper left corner of the screen. In the lower half of the screen, a number of fields will appear in which a time schedule can be specified. Tick one or more days of the week on which you want the time schedule to be effective. Fill in time schedule name. Give it a comprehensive name to make it easier to select one from the list. Tick Last All Day if you want data to be sent to you 24 hours a day as soon as a sample is taken by FarmManager. If you don't tick Last All Day, you are able to enter a specific start time and end time for emails to be sent. Once you've filled in the required fields, press Apply in the right lower corner to be sure the entered settings are saved in a proper way.